Hello, my name is Danya. I'm the Academic Manager at OKTOPI, and I'm going to talk to you about how you can build your own learning objectives list. Simply click on the objectives list icon on the left side of the page on the vertical column, where you will reach your objectives library. You can add a title, a topic, and some new objectives by simply clicking Add Objective and adding the objective that you wish to have. As you can see, I've already populated my list with some objectives. If I wish to edit one, click on the Edit button, and you can even add more details concerning this objective. Objectives allow your students to understand what it is they're going to be learning when they join your class. Additionally, it will allow you to track the students' progression and gain access to advanced analytics. You can always delete an objective by clicking on the trash bin if you no longer wish to use it. We've also allowed the option of adding a preset standard. So if you are an educator that follows a certain curriculum, simply skim through our large list of curriculums and pick the one that you like. You can also search for a curriculum that you prefer, and when you click on it, just press OK, and you'll have access to all the topics and objectives for you to link to your resources later on. Now, how do you link the objectives to the resources? Simply click on the resource library. Now you have all your resources in front of you. Under the word objectives, you can see the word add. If you choose to do this option, you'll be able to review your resource and then have access directly to your learning objectives list, and by simply pressing the plus sign, you'll be able to link that objective to this resource. You can also do this while you are creating a resource in the class. So if I go to my classes library and I open the class that I wish to add an objective to the certain resource, I can see, for example, in the resource Social Media and Education, I only have one objective. If I wish to add more, then I can simply press the three dots, the edit sign, and under the option Add Objective, I have direct access to my objectives library. When you create a resource within your class, you'll always have this Add Objectives possibility, and you can use it.